Welcome back. Today we are looking at the why Vitamix A2300 Ascent series smart blender Professi is a game changer for amateurs. When investing inches a high-performance, professional-grade kitchen appliance, consumers often look at raw horsepower, blade speed, and container capacity. However, true culinary longevity and reliability depend heavily on an invisible engineering feature: cooling and thermal management. Check the video description for the updated price link. The Vitamix A2300 Ascent Series Smart Blender 64-ounce low-profile container. Why it stands out: inches the crowded blender market not just for its brute blending force, but for its advanced internal cooling architecture, engineered specifically to handle heavy, continuous loads without risking motor burnout. Whether you are pulverizing frozen fruits for thick smoothies, grinding hard nuts into nut butters, or running extended cycles for hot soups, heat is the ultimate enemy of electric motors. Inches this comprehensive SEO-optimized review, we take a deep dive into the Vitamix A2300 part of the revered Vitamix Ascent and A3500 ecosystem, analyzing how its sophisticated ventilation systems, thermal protection mechanisms, and robust build quality redefine what a kitchen appliance can achieve. For those who enjoy outfitting their modern kitchens and active lifestyles with top-tier gear, checking out a related product guide can also offer great insights into heavy-duty mechanical engineering designed for home use. Blender motors operate under extreme torque, especially when dealing with viscous mixtures or fibrous ingredients. As electrical current passes through the copper windings, resistance generates significant internal heat. Without proper thermal dissipation, insulation breaks down, grease liquefies, and thermal overload switches trigger unexpected shutdowns. Vitamix has engineered the Ascent series, including the A2300, with a radically redesigned airflow path. Unlike traditional blenders that trap heat inside a sealed plastic housing, the A2300 incorporates a high-efficiency radial cooling fan coupled with precision-engineered chassis intake and exhaust vents. This system forces ambient air across critical motor components while simultaneously expelling hot air away from the base. Furthermore, the motor is equipped with an automatic thermal protection circuit. If the machine is pushed to extreme limits such as processing dense nut butter for longer than recommended intervals, the intelligent sensor detects rising core temperatures and safely pauses operation before permanent damage occurs. This proactive cooling and thermal management strategy dramatically extends the lifespan of the appliance, supporting its legendary 10-year full warranty. Beyond its exceptional thermal engineering, the Vitamix A2300 is packed with smart, user-friendly features designed to make professional-grade blending accessible. Inches any home kitchen variable speed control pulse feature, fine-tune every texture from chunky salsas to silky purees with the smooth-turning dial, while the pulse feature layers coarse chops over smooth bases. Built Inches digital timer, a sleek, integrated digital timer helps you keep track of custom blending recipes, ensuring consistent results every single time you cook. Self-detect technology, the motor base instantly recognizes the container size and style you place on top, automatically adjusting maximum blending programs and safety lockouts accordingly. 64-ounce low-profile container designed to fit comfortably under most standard kitchen cabinets. This large-capacity container handles family-sized batches with ease while maintaining optimal vortex flow. Wireless connectivity built with future-proofing. Inches mind. The wireless communication capability allows the base to pair with upcoming container formats and smart accessories. How does thermal management translate into real-world kitchen performance? To find out, we put the Vitamix A2300 through a rigorous stress test consisting of consecutive batches of green smoothies, hot steaming vegetable soups made entirely via friction heat, and thick almond butter. During the almond butter test, traditionally one of the hardest tasks for any blender motor, the A2300 ran continuously at high speed for over 4 minutes. While cheaper kitchen blenders would emit a distinct burning electrical odor and trigger a thermal cutoff within 2 minutes, the Vitamix A2300 maintained steady RPMs. The internal cooling fan effectively dissipated the surging heat, keeping the base casing warm rather than dangerously hot to the touch. The low-profile 64-ounce container works Inches tandem with laser-cut stainless steel hammer mill blades to pull ingredients downward into the vortex efficiently. This reduces the mechanical load time, meaning the motor spends less time struggling against dry pockets and generates less friction-induced electrical heat. The result is a seamless, professional blending experience that feels effortless. Check the link in the description to get yours today.